have someone very special with us here today.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. He's been fronting on us behind camera the whole time, but we're so excited to have you here with us, Jess.
Really
Oh my God! Listen,
I'm
so happy to be here tonight with you, ladies.
We
got Maystic right here.
Yes,
oh my
yes,
God!
yes.
Wow.
We see you representing with the Haitian flag, so we love it already.
What up? Whoa!
Yo, you can never think Haiti out of Jess, yo.
No! You can't do that. You can't do that.
Jess, welcome.
Thank you very much for having me on the show, ladies.
Thank you for coming.
I appreciate it. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Please keep that up.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It is such, well, I have to start off by saying, you know, we've seen you do so much in the community here. So it was very much an honor to have you come and talk with us today. So we're gonna start off by, you know, something easy. I asked you behind camera, Jess, what's your real name, but you didn't want to tell me. So do you want to tell me now?
Should I?
Yes.
Oh, should I?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Well,
I want to know about someone back on it.
On Jess.
Yeah.
If I tell you, everyone else going to know.
Yeah,
but we knew
that's
first.
okay.
Yeah,
You told us first.
All right,
That's
I'll
what's
tell you,
important.
Yeah.
For those of you who really don't know me and who know me by Jess,
Yes.
I'm thinking, you know what I mean? That name is so precious. You feel me? Well,
Drop it.
all right. My name is Jesslyn Liberis.
Okay.
Jesslyn?
It's Jesslyn Liberis.
Jesslyn.
And I am originally
Dale.
from Haiti.
Yes, we see you.
Wow, girl, yes.
We can see that. We
Yes.
know that.
Yes.
Obvious.
Yes.
Okay. We
Yes.
love that. That's a really, really great name. Thank you for.
So you said Justin or Jesslyn?
Jesslyn.
Jesslyn.
Yes.
Oh, I like that
That's
better.
nice.
I like that
Yes,
better.
you like that better?
I like that better.
That's pretty, yeah.
Good night, Jocelyn.
Don't do that. We're going to keep it Jess. That's my girl.
Queen Makayelo Jesslyn. Wa d'accord?
Yes. Pas moun carré
Depuis on l'autre monde do Jesslyn da, pas que Queen
Ah,
Sokola.
yeah, we're going to keep that
Oui,
out.
oui,
We're going to keep that out. I'm going to let that pass.
So Jess, so
Yes.
tell us a little bit about yourself. We know now. We
Yes.
know your name.
Right.
We know you're from Haiti. So where are you from originally? Tell us a little bit of. Give us a little bit of a background.
Well, I'm from Haiti, like you guys know, and I'm from a beautiful city called Akaye.
Okay.
And that's where, you know, the flag was created.
What?
With Jean-Jacques Dessalines.
What?
You know, of course. Yeah, you know, gotta let y'all know. You know what I'm saying?
History.
Yeah.
Okay.
Akaye, you know what I'm saying? Where all the young kids, when they go, you know, like, spring
Vacation,
break, you know what I'm
yeah.
saying? We got the ocean right there.
Okay.
You know, we
That
welcome
sounds
you with all the nice, good-looking banan and, you know, poisson good sale and all of that. What up?
I was about to say that. I can't know for a lot of money.
Yeah, I said it first. Yes.
Okay, from Akai, a beautiful place.
Of course.
All right. What else?
Yes.
Well, if you want to know a lot about me, it's going to take the whole night to do it, but I'm going to cut it short. You know what I'm saying? And
Give
give
us
a
a
little
short
bit
version.
background about me. You know, I'm from Philly right now.
Yes. How
You
long
know-
have you been in Philly? Have you, when you came from Haiti, were you always here?
Oh, no.
Okay. So tell us.
If I ask you guys, one of you guys to guess, none of you would know. I'm going to leave Mystic out of it, though.
Why?
All right, let's
Mix
guess.
it.
I want to
Okay.
guess.
So I want you guys
to
guess
Qui botte
two
passé?
most racist city in America. What?
Texas.
Three.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
no,
she took
three,
it.
no. Three.
Oh, 3. Texas.
No,
Oh, wow.
It's not Texas. Virginia.
no,
Georgia.
no.
Georgia.
Florida.
Wow. No. Listen, seriously, it's Mississippi, Jackson, Mississippi. Yeah.
Okay.
Which is you guys could never guess that.
sounds-
You guys could never guess that.
Yeah.
And I can.
Where did you go do in Mississippi? Who do you know in Mississippi?
I know me. Look, straight from the boat to Mississippi.
Yo, that's the first time I've heard that.
Yes, of course, yeah.
So wait, who was in Mississippi though?
Well, my uncle used to live there.
Okay.
Still there.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
And, I came to Philly. I don't want to say it. Y'all can say it. I don't want to say it.
Come on.
Tell us.
1990.
1990. Okay.
Yeah.
How long did you live in Mississippi?
I'll say about 5 to 9 years.
5 to 9 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Lo kite ou ba jam tourne back encore?
No.
I didn't think he was gonna go back. I didn't think he was gonna go back.
What is the Haitian population like in Mississippi?
Zero. Zero. You know they find
Depuis
nobody.
le Jess kite à zéro.
Zero, yeah.
L'idée youn, Jess zéro. Non, tonton Jess, yo kite zéro.
Tonton là toujours.
Oui, bon, il va compter.
He's not making any
Liba
sense.
No, zero.
Liba ici encore.
No.
Oh man.
Yeah, zero.
I cannot picture that.
So the
at all.
ladies know you very well.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm just meeting you. This is my first time meeting you.
It's crazy though. Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
You've been nicer in person.
So tell me, like, what do you do? I'm toujours dans nos Jess, on Jess. Ça, Jess a réglé.
I just want to know what Jess don't do.
That's a
Not
good one.
just what-
That's a good one. I
Yeah,
like
what
that
Jess
too.
don't do.
I like that.
Yeah.
So many hats.
Yeah, I'll touch
I like
almost
that.
a lot of different angle.
So what's the main thing you said that people know you for?
Well, people know me. I deal with cars, so I.
Ça va avec you, deal with cars. Ça va avec you.
Je fais docteur, son docteur.
Ils sont docteur machine.
On docteur machine. Yeah.
So, Jess who get PhD in machine.
I'm telling you, you got it right. Yeah, you got it right.
Dr. Jess.
Dr. Jess, thank you, ladies.
Ooh, they got a
Yes.
nice ring.
Wow.
Women ça.
Yeah, so I deal with cars. I own a garage
Okay.
down in True in Washington land.
Okay.
I've been in this business for about 18 years.
Okay.
So I've been on it for quite a while.
Okay.
And I do a couple of other things on the side. And I would love to do more things in the community.
Yeah.
Just to benefit our Haitian community, not just, the car. You
Yeah.
know?
And I mean, we love that. It's all about, and what we're doing now, it's all about, it's bigger than us, and we talk about this all the time. It's about the Haitian community in Philadelphia and lifting each other, right?
Absolutely.
Supporting each
Yeah.
other,
Yeah.
coming together as one. Yeah.
One of the
love that.
things that I love about this is it bring us together.
Yes.
Because me sitting here, I have so much that I can do.
Yeah.
But since I know you guys was doing it and Mystic, invite me, which is my, we
Family.
went way back, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? We know everything about each other. So, and I say, you know what? Anything that he's doing, and I was looking at your ladies, you're so professional, so beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Y'all was kicking it. So I'm like, oh, I want to be in this show. You know what I'm saying? Why not? You know what I'm saying? I want to be here. So
you.
guys doing a wonderful job, and I want
you.
you guys to do more because it's gonna help the community.
Thank you.
Okay, let me ask
So
you a
much.
question. What is in your opinion that you could see that we're doing more for the community? Like, since you know a lot about the community.
That you've been here for a long time. So, like, what advice maybe that you have for us, and what
We can do
how we can do more.
Well, first of all, if I come from Haiti right now, say I just come from the Biden, right, and I don't know anyone in here.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing you guys doing something positive. So when you guys doing this, all the people who coming around, they can say, well, we do have a Haitian community, because it's one of the things that a lot of people say that we don't have in here.
Yeah.
Because they don't have somewhere to go to say, you know what, let me ask somebody a question. Honestly, someone can call the show right now and say, listen, can I ask them a question?
Yeah.
This guy said he know a lot about car. Can I ask him?
Yeah.
And this guy's the DJ. Can I ask him to host my party?
Yeah.
Everybody y'all bring in here, they're all very important and key to the community.
Yes.
You know, so you guys doing a job that no one else have been done doing that. They were just, you know, people throwing party and everything.
Yeah.
But y'all actually have a show where somebody can sit
Yeah.
and talk about it. Again, like you said, this is bigger than yours.
Yeah.
And it's gonna get bigger.
Yes.
Believe it or not.
Yeah.
It's gonna get, yes, sir.
Thank you very, very much.
Yeah. No, we truly appreciate that. It's good to feel welcome, and that's what we felt from everybody. And you know, like Make Six saw the vision, and to see people like yourself coming on the show and saying like it's bigger than you guys, and we see it going bigger. It means a lot.
It really
Yes,
does.
yes.
It truly
Honestly,
does.
it really
Smart
does.
man, Mystic is a smart man.
Yes,
You
he
guys
is.
know.
Yes.
And y'all can see it. And
Yeah.
you know, if you guys was just playing around, he wasn't gonna do it. Yeah, he got things to happen. That's true.
That's true.
He
No,
wasn't
that's a
gonna do it.
fact. That's really a fact. That's very true.
It's funny, Jess, when you said that. That was the first thing I told him. I said, y'all playing around.
Yeah, don't call him. Yeah, he's not gonna do it. He's like, I don't have no time for that. I'm leaving this alone.
I have a new number.
Seriously.
Yeah.
That's what's up, though. But that's great advice that we're definitely going to take into consideration.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
listen, this is good. Trust me.
Especially like right now, like, and we want to talk about, you know, it's the state of what's going on right now in Haiti. You know, we're very blessed and very, you know, lucky to feel safe here. We have family members, people that we know right now that's really struggling, and the country struggling. And even though nous c'est like c'est haïtien nous donc moi avec Julie nous fait en Haïti, Erlin li fait ici, but nous tous c'est haïtien nous so
Absolutely.
baga la frappé nous. So dans opinion Paul, so t'as pensé de ça qui passe en Haïti qu'on y a
Qui ça nous qu'a
And what
fait?
can we do to
Oui,
help?
qui ça nous
pour
qu'a
aider
fait?
as Haitian Americans that's here.
Yeah.
First of all, I believe we ought to pray for Haiti
Yes.
because, again, what's happening in Haiti right now is bigger than us.
Yeah.
That's one. And one thing that I see about Haitian and Haiti, it's sad to say it, they're easy to get manipulated because what's going on in the country, we have a lack of education. So someone will come to you and say, listen, I am going to buy you a house. And then you say, oh, really? Buy me a house. But you're not because you're not smart enough. You just didn't have that much research to say, hey, where are you going to find the money?
Exactly.
How are you going to buy me a house?
Yeah.
Where's that money going to come from? And that's the problem we always have with our leader in Haiti. And I think a lot of us, what we can do is, like I said, we have to have our voice heard.
Yeah.
You know, us like a Haitian American who, you know, you're born here and you've not been here for a very long time.
Yeah.
We've been here. We know. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying? When you was a little kid, if you was in Haiti,
Oh, God.
it was a totally different vibe.
It was.
You know what I'm
It
saying? Right
was.
now, it's sad to see what's going on. But I'm hoping that our leader, we say the Haitian leaders, get together.
Yeah.
The one that we don't know,
Right.
and they get it right for
Yeah.
just for the
my
sake of it,
kids.
for
Yeah.
the children who is
Yeah.
one of it.
Yeah.
I don't want to hold so long to this, but the other day I say something, right? I'm always proud to say I'm Haitian.
Yeah.
And your kids will be proud to say, well,
Yeah.
I am Haitian. This may be a problem later when your kids go to school and say, yeah, my mom from Haiti, my dad from Haiti. And they should not be ashamed to say
Right.
it because we are the first black republic.
Absolutely.
You understand what I'm saying? We are very strong, I think we're smart.
We
You
are.
understand
We are
what I'm
very
saying?
We are
Because
smart.
when we go out to all the places, all the country, we show that.
Yeah.
So why can't we do it in Haiti?
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Is this
Yeah.
the money?
I think to your point, like it's a lack of education. Gede fois tout kou di, on moun pou ton opportunité pour ou pas va poser top question.
Top question.
Top question poser. Ou mande pour qui ça? Qui
Yo
ça?
ba nan opportunité pou yo
Yo ba
mette
nan
yo ba nan
opportunité, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, en pile nan nou, like m konnen pou moi même personnellement première fois, m devine si petit tout, but pas trop petit comme ça. Première fois mal en Haïti, première fois m tourner back en Haïti, m chita m créer tant qu'on bébé parce que j'aime ouais, you know, moun moins l'autre ti moun, l'autre cousin, cousine yo dans qui situation yo ye, ou senti ou boy sit là ou bless. Même ko pa gan
Right.
pile,
Absolutely.
ou bless. And I think, you know, pour nous même et ça fait nous devons poser question ça like qui ça nous qu'a fait parce que non gens il faut comme se sentir like you know like your hand is tied because what difference can we make?
You can make your voice heard because there's if you sou ka parler pour moun tande yo. Jodi an love in garde nous mêmes. Si on fait affaire là, vrai. Zami voyon poste ba ou di do Shirley. Pas combien moun k'ap gade el. Ki on moun let tout moun met ensemble. Tout moun yo wè nou tout à fait même baga la. Yo wè like nou care. And another things that I think Haitien gen pou le faire. Haitien besoin reconnaître que c'est Haitien lié. Parce que sou pas reconnaître c'est Haitien lié, pas gen moun k'ap reconnaître c'est Haitien. Sou pas remen tête pour. Est-ce que gen moun k'ap remen?
That's
Okay?
the first way to
So you
destroy
have
someone.
to si m'vin la ka ou la, right? Moi ap de respecter kay sa ou di ou ki tem de respecter kay la. Ou pas remen kay ou. Mais si automatiquement moi de respecter kay la ou metem de yo, m'bagin ou pas gon moun ka fait encore. Parce que la kay ou moi vini. So that's one of the things that must say nous même comme Haïtiens premier bail pour nous faire c'est ça pour nous connaître qui est nous y. Ou pas besoin de dire que so you're beautiful or not, you white or you look like your father is a white man, you a black man. It doesn't matter. Oh là, ou après dans $2 million house, ou après dans cas qui vaut $2 millions. L'on dormi, dès que tu fait en Haïti, ou toujours penser quand tu es sorti. Ou ka ba menti, s'ouvre ba menti. Mais ça nan cœur là, la toujours là. Okay? Là ou pas vivre encore, non? So, you know, I think like I said we just got to pray for Haiti right now and let's get together and let's have our voice heard. Okay?
Okay. Now that's a great way of looking at it that, you know, we have to come together. I think like Haitians are really proud. And we talk about l'union fait la force.
Yes.
And I feel like, in my opinion, we need to remember what that stands for.
Great.
We need like un pile moun deal,
But they don't know
Yo ba kon sa the
but
meaning.
like debout ta deal ou kon sal tout not you know my opinion pam tout haïtien kon sal vle dire but for l'autre deal for shita
Yeah, nou ba exécuter
for shita pour dire yes son mot c'est bon bagay ou dit like l'autre shita là dans pour dire l'union fait la force pour penser des pays ou côté nous sorti côté nté pas rien nous pas faire if we come together.
If we come together, absolutely. I believe that too. Because you know, it's very important that for us to do that as a nation. And I think must say si nous pas faire li, pas gen moun ka fait moun. Et m'pa parle dans l'autre qualité, m'a juste garder moi même comme haïtien. M'pa dit dominicain, m'pa dit cubain, m'a garder moi comme un haïtien qui fier de tête moi parce que c'est ne qui rem à Haïti. Le m'a garder moi ça qu'a fait en Haïti là, même saisi. OK? Je dis là nous même nous chita là, nous abay we still have to move on with our life and do certain things, but at the end of the day, m'pense gen yon bagay pour nous même ça nous ka faire bon ici là c'est ça nous va faire là. You know toujours demander aide et puis toujours parler de nous même comme haïtiens qui remet pays non parce que gen moun qui vient ici qui pas aller non. Gen moun qui pour toute famille vient ici va me donner. Et puis m'pa blame yo non. Parce que moun nan yo pas gen moun en bas en Haïti.
Ou bien mon bagay qui passe.
Oh m'go passe. But gen bagay moi ka passe en bas là. Secours ou va se garder non. Difficile. Jeto.
Yeah, and I don't think,
Oui.
but
No, but
yeah. You know, if there's anything you guys think that we should do, comment, let us know.
Yes, yeah.
But
Because we definitely want to make sure our voices are heard, and anything that we can do that we'd be glad to do that, and we appreciate you for you know taking the time to answer that question. So
Thinking about that, it's important. It's very important.
Yes, so
Yes, it is.
we'll continue to pray, and you know we'll do what we can for right now.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Jess,
Yes.
so do you have anything that's coming up, like any event, any
We heard about your birthday bash last year.
Yes. So one for the books.
Look,
About Shy Jazz.
no, not Jess. But moi c'est son une bagay m'te on ti jan font on backup là-dedans on pause parce que m'te dit et pas parce que communauté est small non. Et une bagay me dit m'a fait li parce que nous fait tout déjà. Pas gon jazz qui vient boy ici puis faut là nous même qui te qu'on entre mystique nous te qu'on fait tout jazz vient boy ici. OK? So pas gon moun nous capable nous ka chita là, nous dit nous pas ka relé pour pas ka venir. But une bagay nous toujours nous pas faire compétition. Parce que moi même là nous t'a fait là, nous t'a fait pour communauté. So gon l'autre qui vient ka faire kounya, yo fait le pi bien passé moi, me dit yo you know what? Dégage. Vous comprenez? Quand il y a la même qui s'appelle, me dit OK bon, m'a font seul fait la pour année. Qui ça m'a tout fait birthday moi. M'pas besoin qu'on qui jazz cap venir, combien comme m'a dépensé, m'a fait pour birthday.
Yeah.
Ça me dit m'a fait une belle. That's a gift to yourself. Oh, that's a gift to myself. Oh, that's a gift to myself parce que
So who's the band this year?
Don't do that.
Bon, nous c'est pour ça, mais qu'on n'a pas fait ça, Jazz.
Martino Vida.
Li pa di nou nan kamera.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
On parle
And
entre
this year,
nous.
Yes.
I'm gonna make it. Listen,
Bon
you guys
gonna ring
y'all
bells.
gonna come. Y'all gonna come.
Of course we're coming.
Yeah.
We're gonna come.
Yeah, we're gonna come, man.
Of course.
Ah, good, good, good.
course.
VIP all the way, baby. VIP all the way. You know what I'm saying? That's what
We talk on the building.
We love that. We love that. We love that.
VIP all the way.
Navin
Yeah.
celebrate avant.
Yes,
Of course.
I mean, I love what you say about like it's not about competition
No.
because
Yes.
I think pour nous même like et même genre mentalité aille like et pas de question compétition nous besoin pour si n'a fait compétition et ben on fait la n'a fait
Non.
n'a fait compétition avec
State
New York, Boston,
Exactement.
Florida,
Exactement.
et yo même gagné même qui compétition
Oui.
nous même dans fila nous tout
Nous
ensemble
être ensemble.
si nous font gros fête n'importe monde qui fait gros fête on
Yeah,
a
bien
supporter
Philadelphia.
et puis n'a mettre Philadelphia dans map là.
Yeah.
Et puis par contre, c'est n'a suivre. Communauté haïtienne vient plus gros, oui, Philadelphia. Et chaque fois que je vois ici, oui, gros.
Yeah.
Nous connaissons que les gens sont New York, ils peuvent venir Philadelphia, ils comprennent que les Philadelphia commencent à en dehors la vie.
Oui, il a toujours parlé nous mal.
Wow.
Wow. Yo commence à en dehors. Mon New York, let me tell you guys something. Pas ici, ah. Listen, faut camper red. Si pas camper red, on va venir là. Et puis, you know what I'm saying? Period. This is Philly. That's Philly. You know what I'm saying? We stand for Philly. Yes. The brotherly of love. Come on, let's go.
Brotherly love.
Yes.
No, that's 100%. It's
Yes.
all about not faire compétition avec l'autre monde, but
Nah,
nous même
yeah.
n'a pas la
Yes.
Even I'm getting to it.
Pas que perdre.
We up for the challenge. That's all. We up for the challenge.
100%.
Just bring it.
Bring the challenge, okay? We got you.
So, Jess, let me ask you a question, right?
Yes, sir.
With you being in Philly for so long, right? So, mkwe lo commencé boys la où te wè combien stock te ka commencé. I know my uncle was one of them.
Yeah, yeah.
There with no shoes.
Yeah, the shoes.
So, konya pou gade men pou wè konya la vale stock dans Philadelphia. Jean communauté nou an grow yo. Qui sont te ka passé de ça men? Pour gade konya des femmes sel pas gon sel choix konya un paquet choix.
Paquet choix.
Qui sont passé de ça men?
Listen, Jonzia, Philadelphia, nous plein haïtien Philadelphia qu'on y a là. But I'm proud of ça, ti monsieur qui vient après New York accomplish. Parce que ça fait ça, ou gen choix qu'on y a. Competition is one of the things that is very important.
Yes.
Parce que longtemps, on te doit aller en place haïtien, parce que c'est lui même qui là, ils font intéressant sur. Qu'on y a là, jodi là au cal n'importe sauve
Yeah.
parce que nous grand pile haïtien dans Philadelphia. But we still have to do more.
Yeah.
Okay, we still have to do more. We come a long way, but we still have to do more.
still some growing
Pass,
to do.
yeah.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
get
we getting there.
Ça va la fête.
Again, that's you know bagay nous toujours dit together.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? together. Ou pas regarder monsieur qui fait ça, ou raïs ça la faire.
Yes.
Pas regarder mesdames qui fait ça, ou raïs ça faire. Supporter ça à faire.
Yes.
Ou pas comprendre ce Abdullah.
Yes.
Share the life, share the show, because ou pas fait déjà. OK, kounya ouais a fait li nan tête pour qu'a dit, on va faire qui bon que ça. Fais so à faire. Moi même dès que tu fais l'envoi, ça veut dire me considérer comme un legend. Ou pas comprendre ça là. Yeah, ou même moi follow ça m'a faire. So yeah, ou fait plus bon. Ou pas comprendre ça là. Mais supporter ça m'a faire pas critiquer les. Si me pas fait le bien, then c'est là ba critique. Parce que c'est toujours pas que monde qui ont 100% dans ça faire. Au moins ça me doit gagner un peu learning but me te une idée oui. Parce que si me chita là m'appelle là me te qui est ça qui fait chose ça boy ici? Qui est ça qui fait show? Qui est ça qui show jazz vini? Qui premier show jazz vini? Queen Circle baby. Right? Oui. Oh. Queen Circle la vini. Okay.
No, and it's so true because like I think it was early in the night that was having this conversation about Mexique. Tout a fait cette conversation de Mexique en Bachal. Tout a parlé ça de Mexique, who like, he led the way for a lot of people.
A lot of people.
Like, get it back à un monde dit, pas de monde faut respecter ça. Un pile monde bal respect. Tout le monde parler.
Yeah.
Tout le monde parler
like, oh, Mexique la familia.
Moi mais ça. Yo respecter ça. So nous aimer ça de n'a pour ça dans communauté a passé un pile monde still même que Mexicain longtemps pas fait fête yo respecter ça. So we love that. Nous commencer ça on monde ka garder le dire oh moi mesdames fait ça m'a fait comme ça n'a supporter ça.
Oui.
N'a supporter ça because ou t'as supposé toujours vle là on monde font bagaille OK m'a fait tout m'a fait le plus bien passer.
Exactement.
Yes. Et t'es ensemble, oui, qui fait nous avancer. Et qu'on soit avancé.
Exactement, yes.
Et qu'on soit avancé.
Yeah.
Ça.
At the end of the day, nous tous là, nous toujours dit, nous tous dans celle bagarre à projet. It's all about the culture.
All about the culture.
Yes.
Putting us on the map.
That's it.
What we deserve. Yes, absolutely.
Non nous mesdames beaucoup j'aime connait m'pa quoi nous ouais ça parce que ouais mystique là non côté mystical DJ sous parler vous danser on va jouer quand les problème oui
Nous ça oui. Mexique c'est micro.
Nous ça.
les morceaux sont
Chaque l'album Mike. Soba Mexique
ouais
micro.
Me dit coup d'abord commencer payer elle. Pour Mike là. Me dit non.
vous dites ça pas vrai
Me dit ça.
OK les pas attendre parce que ça déjà oui oh la mystique compagnie pour lui prendre mic là like I'm like
Charles mouton d'or.
Sont
quand il y a mon chita là on
différents.
dit mystique ou gain tout talent ça va gaspiller les balles liés
Ils sont là bas, ils sont là bas.
Ouais, j'ai commencé à changer parole là. Changer parole.
Et humble,
So, Jess, I have another question for you. So, obviously, you've been in Philly for a long time. You've been a part of the HMI for a very, very long time. What's your take as far as qui sak différent jodia versus l'autre fait commencer à faire fête, l'autre fait commencer dans bagay, promotion bagay comme ça?
Well, premièrement priorité plus bas. Priorité plus bas.
J'ai pensé de ça longtemps.
Priorité plus bas.
C'est gros bagay ou dit la oui, Jess?
Oui. Priorité plus bas.
So part-time job, oui?
Inflation, c'est pour nous le venir, oui.
Priorité plus bas. Et puis
changer tout, qu'on y a tout.
non, t'as changé. Ça on l'autre
Pas
bagarre.
que l'homme encore, musique l'a changé.
Musique n'a changé.
Elle est tellement à la flèche.
Oui,
Et
bon
on
ça.
fait musique la plus belle.
Oui, d'accord. Bah, on change kounya là. Mais c'est ça que fait plusieurs monde qui fait fête, j'ai toujours mené débat ensemble. Par yo mix bagay yo jusqu'à pour
différents
crowds. OK, c'est ça que fait ça. Gon femme dit comme ça. OK, bon, m'a comprendre. Qui j'ont qu'à faire prendre des différents jazz qui jouent des différentes musiques pour mettre ensemble. Est-ce que l'autre moun yo les jazz la fin jouer, yo pas lever y aller. Yo pas jamais levé aller.
Yo là,
Parce que l'arrivée non
Yeah.
depuis fête la belle. Tout le monde
Ouais,
a
comme
prêté.
ça, tout le monde
So
a
ça
prêté.
que te dans schéma là, on te fait commencer ensemble avec lui, which is my you know, a mystic. You know, c'est une qui vraiment premier monde qui mettait dans schéma là pour me commencer ça. So d'entrer là-dedans, c'est pas une mauvaise idée le dé. Mais il y a parfois schéma là tellement small.
Yeah.
Yo gon série de nèg qui kembe qui kembe une série de potes. Même si tu bat pour craser yo pas craser potes, OK? Et puis c'est nèg ça qui tout yo même yo vinn grand monde là-dedans. Musique yo fini et puis yo pas ba on l'autre jeune opportunité pour le ka venir come up. N'importe quoi fait. Depuis son bagage talent lié.
Oui.
Et puis c'est celle ou ka fait li parce que gon loi privé non l'âge ou pas ka faire non.
Yeah.
So loi pas fait li parce qu'on pas mettre l'autre monde ensemble avec qu'on vinn mourir. OK, faut que la élève. Si pas la élève, bah yo pas bon.
Yeah.
So c'est ça qui vient passer qu'on y a là, but c'est dans 20 next year, nous capable une série de new artists qui sorti qui met un paquet belle bail pour nous. On va pas plomber non jazz parce que mon jazz pas tellement fanatique ensemble avec les so.
Ou des dim déjà.
Non mais pas musique, c'est pas musique moi
Jazz pam nan.
c'est pas musique qui va gagner non.
Jazz préféré nan.
Parce que moi, li bon
Jazz nèg
li bon
moi.
like comme le like là, il faut ba like.
Son pas connaît là la même musique sur
Moi ça non le la belle musique mené. Moi ça.
Dis-nous qui est-ce qui jazz préféré? Dis-nous.
Moi-même Souda vraiment dit et pas parce que jazz là c'est you know c'est des pi bon non. Moi-même mes disciples. Vous comprenez parce que Gazman oui parce que Gazman gon gens li comporter you know c'est pas un monde qui a fait intéressant on pense ça son nèg là il vient faut faire
Très classique.
ouais des classiques il a fait ni danser ou qui doit parce que yo toujours dire disciple on pas que nèg là là disciple on pas que garçon mais époque là ça tout c'est les filles là pas de gain femme il a non Philadelphia qu'on y a on va son de pas de médiane sous
Mettre pas fait sous.
oui mettre pas fait sous médiane sous
Condensé.
oui mettre ça sous pas mettre li au moins ou chaque problème on va aller dans bal là venir
Dans nos coins pour
dans le coin pour là vous dit wow what just happened.
Oh, that's what's up.
So Jess,
Yes.
you have been a great pleasure. Thank you. This was awesome. But I do have another question for you, and this one we're gonna take it personal.
Oh wow.
Moi, j'ai pas
Wait. I need a trick. For that one. Oh, she said that is gonna be personal.
It's gonna be a personal
Listen,
question.
I'm not gonna take it personal though. I am going to. I know it's personal. I'm going to take it.
Bon, qui question de c'est me poser pour toi
Ou pas back out, non? Ou pas back out dans question, non, même. Ou pas back out là, ou pas blague question.
Oh, mes amis, tout bagay ça.
Même pas pour question.
On parle pour question.
Oui, embarrassed.
Yes.
Yes.
So we have a party coming up, April 27th. Are you coming?
That was personal.
Hold on, baka fini non? Baka fini.
Wap chauffeur a yo. Wap chauffeur a yo.
Wap get up on it.
Of course I'm coming.
Okay, you coming.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because we have a little challenge going on right now
That's
on
right.
social media.
Yes.
Nous commençons ensemble avec Monsieur Star Team Yo, Hall.
We call him out.
We call them out parce que nous dit, get a garçon, va connaître si on connaît danser compas.
Oh, wow.
Just, on connaît danser compas?
Bon, là, ça sont pareil qui dit, parce que m'pas vle répondre une question ça, la vidéo question al calé moi. Mais c'est
Ça fait un début personnel.
Hey James, ou même avec Hall, nous mettons dans ces compas non papa, Magade messieurs yo. So, pour répondre une question là, m'a dans ce chéri. Wap balanse. Sou wè si wè map danse kon bagay ki sem danse.
Bon bagay, bon bagay.
Kon bagay fèm danse.
Bon bagay ka fò danse 27 avril la. Ça nous ka garanti.
Ah bon, ok, bon, moi m'bap di non, bon. Parce que depuis kon bagay ka depuis wè m'kommence à on dit ça va passer just là monsieur. Voilà, nous n'a pas quand même anyway. Parce que bon Dieu bon nous on là. So moi même m'a toujours là.
OK.
VIP all the way right?
VIP all the way.
Oh just fait comme VIP VIP.
Just toujours
VIP.
Yes, Queen Circle fréquente.
Oui, VIP.
So nous comprenons.
Tout le monde qui reconnaît moi qu'on est VIP ali n'a fait.
Just pas n'importe monde.
Automatique.
Bon, just passe bon ouais bagala vin pima. Ou pense l'autre dit ou pas qu'on danser c'est laisse on t'a quitté aller bon laisse on mettre
cam.
Nous pas quitter aller. Bon laisse on mettre lumière sous même. Pour nous qui nous
et puis n'a petit maîtresse là.
Mais
ballon petit couille.
Claire book c'est dit.
Ça se confirme?
Oui. Oh man.
Well, Jess, thank you so much for coming. It's been such a great time.
You are a lot of fun.
And shout out to your niece.
Yes, Fadlin.
Shout out to Fadlin.
Shout out Fadlin.
Looking beautiful.
Wow.
Yes.
Ladies, you guys tried to end the show. I was just getting used to
Just ask for more time.
Let me tell you guys something. First of all, you guys introduced me to the show, and I come here and senti que malaise parce que moi respecte ça affaire parce que pas aucun business qui trop petit. OK, jodi a là m'gen doit dans show ça là demain si Dieu veut côté nous arriver avec show et puis nous même peut-être pas nous doit surprise parce que nous doit pas rendre ça. I appreciate you guys for having me here.
Thank you.
You guys are some wonderful queen. You know what I'm saying? I had to close my eyes to say that. So, continuez à faire ça dans faire. Et puis, on travaille puis dit, m'a toujours gardé choix, m'a toujours cherché choix. Et m'a toujours fait ça pour me faire beau choix.
Thank you.
Merci en pile, m'apprécier ça.
Thank you.
Thank you.
J'appelle au yo, pas qu'à jouer.